Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep is a steal with less than 7,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, rear privacy glass, and premium audio.